this rich people's pond place, and there's a lot of ducks. Those like two things over there, they tried to like almost kill us. They like, I'm not kidding, they tried to kill us.
They were chasing me.
Tell them.
It was scary. I was over here and they were just chasing me and yelling at me. Oh, that black and white one looks like an Oreo.
Oh, they're so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that Oreo one right there. Looks like an Oreo. It's so pretty. Yeah, Hannah got so scared. She's like, oh my god, are we gonna die? No, she didn't say I was gonna die, but she got so scared. Like, she just didn't know what to do. And then Maddy was filming too with me. I'm here. Like, I'm not kidding. These ducks are trained, and then they come back because they know that they live here. They're going somewhere. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
I like the Oreo. There's two Oreos.
Pretty. Look at all these ducks. Oreo and Oreo. Right there. Oreo. Right there. Oreo.
Oh, look, the brown one on the back. Ooh, I just think they're leaving.
Yeah, they like to stay here.
They're not leaving. And they are evil and mean.
Hannah, you tell them. You tell them how
They're
mean
killing me.
they didn't kill you. Oh my god, it's so windy. If you look at these, like, but look at all those ducks. They just stand like in a little line.
That one is Oreo. And then the white ones are.
Oh, They're coming back. They're coming back to us.